Okay, now we are going to draw a triangle. What you can see on the screen over here is already the clean slate code which I had done in the previous video. Okay, for reference, you got to see the first video to know how to do the clean slate code. Now, whenever you draw any shape or any object using shapes, the first thing you need to do is your clean slate code. So these 5 statements need to be there on your screen first only. Okay, now next thing what we do is I'm going to show you to draw a triangle now. How to draw a triangle? A triangle has got 3 sides. Okay, and every angle that it makes is going to be 120 degrees. Okay, the angle, the turn that it makes is 120 degrees. Okay, since we are using blocks to do shapes, so my first step is going to create a block. I go to my blocks, I make a block, I give it a name, draw triangle. And since I'm drawing a triangle with the sides again 100, I'm going to specify add an input, and here I will say size and say OK. So now I've created my defining block, and again this over here is called as my calling block. So to draw the triangle has got 3 sides. So again I go to my motion, I say move 100 steps. Okay, since I want to make 100 steps, again I will go to my blocks and I will call it over here, and I'll specify 100. All the sides of the triangle will be of size 100. So instead of 10 here, I will specify size here. So let me see what happens when I run the code. So it is drawing the base of the triangle. Now I need to make a turn. So I go back to motion. I take this turn since I want it upwards, and I will say 120 degrees because I do not want it 90 degrees. I want it 120 this time. So the sprite has now turned. Now I got to make a move of what? 100 size. So I specify size 100. Next I got to make a turn again. So use the same turn, use the same degree, and then make a move of 100 steps again. So finally my triangle has been done. Now I need to make the sprite point in direction 90. And since I finished drawing, now I need to put the pen up. So my triangle is now complete. If you want to see the entire triangle, you can hide the sprite by just clicking on this over here. And you can bring the sprite back by clicking on the show button. So the triangle is now complete.